Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn an image into a PNG image which has a transparent background. The first thing you're going to want to do, if you don't already have it, is you're going to want to download the app called Eraser. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to Google and type in the image that you're looking for. And this works for any image, but today we're going to look up the YouTube like button, and I usually put PNG after that. Then you're gonna just want to look through and find the one you like best, and then once you come across the one that you like, you're gonna want to save that image. Next, you're gonna want to go into your Eraser app and click Load New Photo and add the photo that you just saved. Next, you're going to want to click on Auto and then click outside of the image and then turn the threshold up. Usually Auto does a good job at doing it for you. However, there are some images that you will need to do it yourself, and that's pretty simple. You just hit Manual and you erase it yourself. And it also has a repair option, so if you accidentally erase too much, you can repair that as well. Once you're finished, you just save that photo. So now I'm going to go into my Phonto app and I'm going to add the PNG image that I just made to one of my end screens. And that's how you make a PNG image. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any future how-to videos.